Hi guys, welcome to tutorial 10, question 1. Let's do this. As always, I'm going to put the question right over here. Pause the video, read it over yourself, attempt it yourself, and then we'll go through it together. Alright, so this question isn't one of those things where if I talk, it's gonna be beneficial, to be honest with you. But basically, they want find a minimal DFA, right? And with like minimum number of states and a table of how these transitions work, and that's pretty much it. So because I'm not gonna sit here and explain the table, the table, I'll just put it somewhere here, and I'm also gonna put the DFA over here too. But as you can see that I have 4 states. 2 of them are accepting states, and as you can see, and you can play with this yourself, it makes sure that what they're asking for stays true. So every time 0 is in W, it's immediately followed by a 1, or it's immediately preceded by a 2. And if you can take a look, if you give it a 0, it goes to Q1. If you give it another 0 or a 2, it goes to a Q3, which then can never get out. It's like a black hole of a kind. But then if you follow its rules of law, you either end up in Q0 or Q2, and it works out very nicely. And as you can see, the table is also here. It just goes to show if you are from this state, if you do the symbol, what new state you go to. And that's pretty much it for this question. I know it's not a good enough explanation when it comes to the video, and it falls short, but the best way I can tell you is just look at it and go over it yourself and see how it functions. And that's my best advice for this question. Alright guys, that will be all for this question. I'll see you guys in the next one.